Will you push the button? If you do, then you can do practically anything you want, illegal or otherwise, and get away with it, but this is only because you are trapped in the same 24-hour loop for eternity, and everything resets the next day, including everyone's memories. So are you pushing the button? A starving third world country no longer has severe problems, hunger, disease, etc., and becomes a developed nation. But all people within 2 other third world countries with the same problems die. So are you pushing the button? You become the most attractive person on Earth, but you change sex in the process. So are you pushing the button? Hit the follow button.